In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view and filter your game history on chess.com. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your past games and how to quickly narrow them down by opponent, date, or opening. So you can study what matters most without digging through endless lists. First, make sure you're logged into your chess.com account. This ensures you're looking at your own games and that your personal history is available. If you've been inactive, the site might ask you to sign in again, so take a moment to confirm you're on the official chess.com site and then log in securely. Once you're in, head to the main menu. Depending on your screen size and layout, you'll see a green navigation bar either across the top or along the left side. Hover your mouse over the play option to reveal the related menu items. If you're on a touch device, simply tap play to open the same set of options. This is the central hub for anything related to playing and reviewing games. From there, click on Game History. This opens your archive of completed games. You'll see a chronological list with key details for each game, such as the result, time control, and who you played. Think of this page as your personal record book. It's where you'll come back whenever you want to review your performance or find a specific match. On the right side of the page, you'll find the search and filter tools. These are your best friends when it comes to pinpointing exactly what you need. If you're looking for games against a particular opponent, type their username into the opponent field. This is perfect for preparing a rematch or reviewing a friendly rivalry. If you want to focus on a certain period, use the date filter to narrow the list to a specific day, a week, or any custom range. And if you're studying openings, use the opening filter to search by name. Start typing the name of the opening you're interested in, and you'll be able to isolate games that began with that structure. You can combine these filters to get even more precise, such as games against a specific player within a certain month using a particular opening. If you don't see the filter panel on smaller screens, try scrolling. It may appear below the list instead of on the right. And if your results feel too narrow, clear the filters to return to your full history. That's it. You're now set to navigate your chess.com game history and filter it efficiently so you can learn faster and prepare smarter.